Crash course on Austria. People and population. Austria, nestled in the heart of Europe, is a country known for its rich cultural heritage and warm hospitality. Let's delve into the diverse population, ethnic makeup, immigration policy, and some intriguing stories that bring Austria's people to life. Exciting stories. 1. The Alpine Spirit. Austrians have a deep connection to their breathtaking alpine landscapes. The Alps have not only shaped their physical environment but also influenced their way of life and traditions. 2. Viennese Coffee Culture. In Vienna, coffeehouses are more than just places to grab a drink. They are cultural institutions where people gather, discuss, and enjoy the art of conversation. 3. Music and Mozart. Austria's musical legacy is legendary, with Mozart being one of the most celebrated composers in history. His influence continues to inspire the country's vibrant music scene. People and ethnic diversity. Austria's population is around 9 million, and the majority are of Austrian descent. The country also has significant minority groups, including Turks, Germans, Slovenes, Croats, and Hungarians, among others. This diversity has enriched Austria's cultural fabric and contributed to its openness to various traditions. Population structure and immigration policy. Austria has a well-structured social system with access to healthcare, education, and social welfare programs. The country also has a robust immigration policy, welcoming skilled workers and providing opportunities for integration. This approach has led to a harmonious coexistence of various communities. Top 12 attractions. 1. Vienna. Austria's capital, famous for its historical landmarks and cultural heritage. 2. Salzburg. The birthplace of Mozart and a city filled with musical and architectural delights. 3. Innsbruck. A stunning alpine city known for its winter sports and imperial history. 4. Hallstatt. A picturesque village surrounded by majestic mountains and a serene lake. 5. Grossglockner High Alpine Road, a scenic mountain pass offering breathtaking views. 6. Wachau Valley, a UNESCO World Heritage Site with vineyards and medieval castles. 7. Graz. A vibrant city with a mix of modern and historical architecture. 8. Melk Abbey. A magnificent Baroque abbey overlooking the Danube River. 9. Eisriesenwelt Ice Cave, the world's largest ice cave, a unique natural wonder. 10. Schönbrunn Palace, a grand imperial palace and UNESCO World Heritage Site. 11. Hohensalzburg Fortress, a medieval fortress overlooking Salzburg's Old Town. 12. Bregenz Festival, an open-air opera festival held on the shores of Lake Constance. Summarizing this writing, Austria's people and population embody a rich tapestry of cultures, traditions, and warm hospitality. The country's ethnic diversity and welcoming attitude towards immigrants make it a melting pot of ideas and experiences, adding to its allure. From the majestic Alps to the cultural wonders of Vienna, Austria's attractions leave a lasting impression on every traveler. And now, a poem to celebrate the spirit of Austria's people. In the heart of Europe's embrace, Austria's people find their place. A land of diverse hues and ties. A tapestry where culture lies. Beneath the Alps, their spirits soar. A love for nature evermore. In coffeehouses, stories spin. Vienna's soul within their grin. Mozart's notes, a timeless thrall. Inspire dreams, they stand so tall. In music's arms, hearts intertwine. Austria's melody divine. From Vienna's charm to mountain's crest. Innsbruck's winter, its very best. Graz and Salzburg's ancient grace. A symphony in every space. With open hearts and minds so keen. Austria's welcome, warm and serene. In unity, their strength they find. A harmonious blend of humankind. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.